like accessories, accessorizing everything from boats to cars to trucks. Let me show you a little product that is pretty good and that basically summarizes all your switches and all your accessories into one handy little place. Come on, let me show you. So the Colight accessory panel summarizes and basically packs all your accessories into one handy little place. So here what you're seeing right now is the physical switch panel as you see it and how you get it. Really nice construction out of aluminium. It's got a nice bracket, all little stainless steel screws and little bolts, which is quite nice. Control cable which goes down to the wiring hub, which I'll show you in a second. But the accessory itself, the panel, really nice product, really nice feel to it. The buttons are really nice, as you can see. I have had a few in the past similar to this which are exceptionally bright. However, on this one here you can change the brightness, you can cycle through all the brightness settings, you can physically change the colors on the panel itself completely to complement your vehicle and your own particular taste. And this doesn't distract the driver in any sort of shape. So having it in this position here, while my sort of gear hand is normally at arm's reach, I can easily go through my accessories where I need them. So as you can see, there's quite a few accessories here. There's 12 in total, which you can add to this panel. I've got a couple of fridges. We've got the rear lights for the 80 series cruiser, and there's a variety of other accessories we still have yet to wire in here. Now, you do get the sticker panel with this. What I would say is they can expand a little bit on their stickers and add a little bit more variety to the four-wheel drive market. So I can see why they've done their stickers in the way they have, is they complement not only the marine side of things like boats, but also a lot of four-wheel drivers. So there's a very sort of basic lineup of stickers that you got there. So maybe blank stickers which we can either write ourselves would be a good point to use, or if we can have access to a wider range of stickers would be nice, or either if we can go and choose a particular panel. If you're building a four-wheel drive truck that has a variety of different off-road accessories, that would be nice to complement this particular panel. But it's not a deal breaker. You can make your own stickers, that's not an issue. You can just put them on here, which is pretty simple anyway. So let me take you to the back, let me show you the wiring hub, and we'll go through that. Right, the wiring hub, very sleek, very simple to understand. From the outside, you've got your various warning as you get with most wiring hubs. It does come with a 100 amp breaker, which is nice. It protects all your accessories. So if you get a power surge, you have something going on with your electrical system, it stops that and it protects all your accessories. Not only that, it is also all your accessories are fused as well, as can be expected, and it is quite simple to understand and identify which circuit which accessory goes onto. This little control cable here is for your control panel in the front, and it comes with a 2-meter cable. So just kind of plan ahead where you want your control panel, because 9 times out of 10 you're going to want to get that cable hidden somewhere underneath carpets or along some conduit somewhere, depending on what sort of vehicle you're installing this in. So just bear that in mind. And it is very simple to understand and where all your wiring goes. It's clearly identified and marked on both the buzz bars, all your inputs and your outputs. Everything's fused from 10 amp all the way down to 30 amp, which is on both buzz bars, and you've got 12 circuits to choose from as well. So you've got a variety of accessories you can add to this. As you can see, it's clearly marked and illuminated which circuit is currently on and engaged and which one is drawing power as we speak. And it helps you to troubleshoot any sort of accessory issue that you may have at that point in time. So again, nice to put together, nice to install. Everything was really simple, which I really enjoyed about the product. In the physical kit itself, you do get a bank of fuses. I'll show you that in a second, and you can keep your bank of fuses in the lid itself. However, I found that the cable that runs up here kind of does foul that a little bit, and then I had to cut mine a little bit to get everything to fit nicely on my panel. Just fits in just like that, nice and simple. So you can keep your bank of fuses elsewhere in your vehicle and make sure you remember where they are. So I don't really do unboxing videos, but I'll just show you what you get in the box so you know what to expect. Everything comes relatively well packaged. You get your user instructions. Now, user instructions, especially if you're a guy, these things tend to not matter much for some reason. We think we know it all and we just chuck them aside and we crack on with the rest of the installation. And we end up referring back to these right at the end of the installation when we're like, what goes where and why, how do I know which one is doing what? And then it's clearly marked on your user manual which circuit is illuminated on your panel. So bear in mind, just check that out before you install and before you start sticking your stickers down. Everything's marked there, and it is very simple to understand instructions. You've got all the different configurations for your panel and the physical switch panel. Both sides, everything's got pictures, and it is easy to understand, simple English, which again, it's nice from this product. So you've got, if you want to go on any of it, find out any more of their products, you can just scan the barcodes here and it'll take you straight to Colight social media pages or website, whichever you prefer. So again, very simple to understand. What else is in the box? You get a sticker sheet. Again, I would probably ask them to expand on this a little bit more, add a few more stickers so to complement the four-wheel drive industry a little bit more, which would be nice, or just give you a bank of clear stickers which you can label yourself in a way. That would be nice. These stickers are also really good in terms of their hard wearing. So a lot of cheap stickers, they tend to be just sort of printed and you start pressing them, and eventually over a period of time you actually press that printing off and it wears out. And these are clear, so the light does illuminate through the sticker so you can see these and read them well at night. You do have a couple of stickers that come with the kits. With most of these products, you've got cable ties to keep everything neat and tidy. You've got your positive and negative cables for your breaker and go from your breakers into your batteries, vice versa. I didn't really need these, so I keep these as spares because these are quite handy. My configuration was slightly different, so I didn't need to use these. And like I mentioned before, you do get a bank of fuses for your accessories, so keep that handy in your vehicle. Because you never know when you may need these. So, and it does come with spare screws and nuts and bolts and your Allen key to get you going. So this is a kit, it's very basic to get you started, and that's exactly what they aim to do, is just get you started and then you can expand from there, which is quite good. So overall, I'm very pleased with the product. It was simple, it's easy to understand, it was easy to install, it works, it does exactly what it needs to do, and it does exactly what I needed to do as well. So I don't need something flash and fancy, very simple, and that's what this cruise has all been about through this whole build so far. Would I recommend it? Yes, I would. So if you are interested in this product, there is a link in the description, so have a look at that, and I believe that's 15% off, which is a nice little saving for you guys. These guys did send this product out for me to test and to showcase to you guys, and that's exactly what we're doing here. So there's you know, the channel is all about transparency. There is no wool pulled over anybody's eyes here, so I'm not gonna lie to you, this is a pretty decent product. Everything is well made, well laid out, so I'm very pleased with this particular product. They do have a wide range of different accessories, not only light panels, they do lights as well, so light bars and other various items, so be sure to have a look. And if you guys enjoy the video, hit a thumbs up, please subscribe, and we will definitely see you in the next one.
If I'm not back in 5 minutes, just wait longer.